I would begin by opening your formative assessment protocol and your team meeting agenda. Each week, it will be very helpful for us if you put a hyperlink into your agenda to the document that you worked on during your collaborative team time. To do that, you would be working on your formative assessment protocol. You would be filling in the information as you go along, answering your critical questions. What do we want students to learn, and how will we know if they've learned it? Occasionally, you will need to hyperlink a rubric to this document, or you may want to reference this document in your agenda so that you may receive feedback from your CIL in your building. To hyperlink this document to your agenda, you will click the blue Share button in the top right-hand corner. And then you will have two different options. You can copy this address here by highlighting all of it and hitting Control-C, or you can click here where it says Copy the link. You may then hit Done. Now go back to your agenda. And to make reference to the document you worked on in your weekly agenda, the best spot here I can see is just to add that hyperlink in the Support Needed box or the Items for Next Meeting box, whichever makes you happy. I prefer the Support Needed box because this indicates that you are ready for feedback. To add your hyperlink, you look for the chain link icon at the top of the page, and when you click on that, you can paste your shareable link into the box and hit Apply. And now what we have here is a link to your document so that your CIL can give you feedback on your work. You would use the same process to add a rubric to your actual document. We have a template for a student-friendly rubric here. If you click on that, it will force you to make a copy of that rubric. You can then personalize this rubric. You can put a short description of your formative task here at the top. You can type in what the characteristics of a 1 might look like, the characteristics of a 2, a 3, and a 4 in student-friendly language for your class. You can then send this to the print shop and fill this out for each of the formative tasks, or you can fill it out electronically for your students. Once you get this completed and your descriptions are typed in, to link this back to your formative assessment protocol, same process. Click on your blue Share button here. You would then get your shareable link, and it will copy that to your clipboard, or you can hit Control-C, select Done, and now go back to your formative assessment protocol, and I would then just type right onto the document, student-friendly rubric, you then highlight that, click your chain link, and paste your shareable link on the second row. Now you have a name, Student-Friendly Rubric, and when you click on it, it will open up that document you just worked on. By linking these documents directly to your formative assessment protocol, you have one document to turn in with all of your data on it. A description of your formative assessment would be typed in these spaces. The teacher rubric descriptions may be here. You will attach your student-friendly language rubric here. And you can also link other documents such as your exemplars or the data that you collected. Please let me know if you need any other help with this. Thank you.